Welcome to this lesson on graphing linear equations using the slope-intercept form. This is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to graph a line without creating a large table of values. Today, we will master the famous equation, y=mx+b. Let's look at the equation y=mx+b. There are two key letters here that act as our code for graphing. The letter m stands for the slope, which tells us how the line moves. The letter b stands for the y-intercept, which tells us where the line begins on the graph. First, let's talk about b, the y-intercept. This is your starting point. It represents the exact spot where your line crosses the vertical y-axis. When you look at an equation, the number that stands alone without an x is your b value. You will always plot this point first. Next is m, the slope. Slope is a ratio that describes the steepness and direction of the line. We often call this rise over run. The top number tells you to go up or down, and the bottom number tells you to run to the right. Think of it as a set of directions to get from your starting point to the next point. Now let's try an example, y=2/3 x plus 1. Step 1 is to identify and plot the y-intercept. Here, b is +1, so we go to the y-axis and place a dot at +1. This is our anchor. Step 2 is to use the slope to find our next point. Our slope is 2/3. The top number, 2, is our rise, so we count up 2 units. The bottom number, 3, is our run, so we move right 3 units. This lands us at the point 3,3. Step 3 is simple. Just draw a straight line connecting your starting point and the new point you found. Make sure to extend the line in both directions and add arrows at the ends to show that the line goes on forever. And that is it, you have graphed the line. Let's try one with a negative slope, y=-2x plus 4. First, we start at +4 on the y-axis. Our slope is -2. We can think of this as -2/1. Since it is negative, we rise down 2 units and then run right 1 unit. This gives us a downward sloping line. To recap, just remember these 4 steps. 1. Identify your m and b. 2. Plot b on the y-axis. 3. Use the rise over run from that point to find the next dot. And 4. Connect the dots with a straight line. A great way to check your work is to look at the slope sign. If the slope is positive, your line should go up from left to right, like climbing a hill. If the slope is negative, it should go down, like sliding down a hill. Always do this quick visual check to ensure your graph is correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.